to use the Saucelabs tunnel and why we need Saucelabs tunnel. Let's go, guys. So we have here, if you go see the over here, so we have a dashboard and dashboards which is showing the Saucelabs how many session you run or everything. So let's Control C, go from here. Okay, so let's refresh this page. Okay, this tunnel is open. Let me start from beginning. Okay, so now if you go here, so you'll be see the left side have tunnel section. Why we need tunnel? It's a very important, guys. In my earlier video, if you see how basic code can run all the twist, this simple code can run the Saucelabs setup, am I right? But this is not all, because if you follow these things and you go to the run in your queue environment or integration environment or dev environment in working life in experience, so your code will be not run, because we run this website over here, which is automotionpractice.com. It's a public website. Is open for public, but you will be run in internal environment which is for only specified for test or development, which is the QA dev environment, QA environment, or integration environment. For that reason, Saucelabs will be not allowed to run the test their environment. So what they did, they introduced to people this tunnel. If you have unsecure website, please use the tunnel, through tunnel, and run the test. If you create the tunnel over here, you have option over this. If you have Mac OS, download the Mac OS. If you have Windows, download this. So I have Mac OS, I'm going to download this. If I download, it's go here, it should be like that. So if I go here, and is here in my download section, is somewhere here. Okay, this I have. So I'm going to use this thing. So for that reason, what I have to do, so I'm going to open my tunnel, my what's called my terminal, and then I go to the this folder. Okay, let's go back and show it to you guys what I did. I go here, down, this is my downloads. From download with the ls, I have my this file. So I'm gonna go to the cd this file. Before that, command K and and cd, I'm going to this file. Okay, I am in this file, 4.5x. Whatever you have downloading, you go to inside this. And now if you say ls, you have inside the bin. Now from the bin, I have to run this file. What you have to do, so you have to simple things. You have to simple this code. I'm not going to use now this. So what is this? Basically, you provide, if you go to the here, and they're saying that you have to use this part over here. The same things they provide here. So I say there bin sc future activation k, whatever provide there, just copy from your Saucelabs and go this folder, inside this folder, and just run it. If I run it, and what will be happen, it will be open a secure connection from your local machine to Saucelabs. So wait for a few seconds, it will be done. When it will be done, if you go here, Saucelabs, sorry, my bad. If you go to the Saucelabs, you see here tunnel active, which is the unnamed tunnel, and we have a tunnel ID, and my name is here, and owner, all everything, blah blah, so everything details is there. That's you are only secure connected. But this is not all. Remember, this tunnel is named, why this tunnel name is unnamed tunnel. We needed identifier tunnel. Why? Because when I have identified tunnel, it knows that who will running the test. Because this access key can use multiple team member. We have to make sure that this team member who is using this specific tunnel. So then will be this access key can use for multiple project and multiple team member. Am I right? For that reason, I say okay, this team management people can use only under this tunnel name. So what I have to do, we have to see few things. So over here, what I did, I get out from here again, and say, so you can do this. Okay, so what I did, I said here tunnel identifier. I did tunnel identifier, and I give them tunnel name is future division and. Okay, and circle. So now when I did that, when I enter, so it will be open the tunnel in Saucelabs. Okay, now tunnel activities. Now is tunnel name is a future division. Now with this access key, we can use multiple tunnel name and multiple project you can run. But now I want only my project. If I run, I want tunnel future division. So now what I have to do, we have a simple code change. Simple code change I have to do. What I have to do here, I go back here and now add. Oh no, sorry, over here. Okay, so over here. So what I did, capacity, set capabilities, tunnel identifier, value is a future division. So when I run the test, when I run the test, if you go here, so go to the dashboard, automated test, it will be run on under this tunnel. So if you go here, it's already done, finished, but let's see what happening. Okay, if my test is done so fast, so might be failed because some cookies issue have. Don't mind if test is failed, because we are not running test to fail or pass or not, but we are running make sure that is element is not found. Okay, that's good. Element is not found, that means our element has some problem, that's why problem. So now one things we can do, this our test was pick up properly, okay, and run under this tunnel. But now how do I know? Let's do some negative test. Okay, each test will be not run, even if I put here not for the test, and but our tunnel is running under future activation, am I right? So now if I run this tunnel activation test, run the test, let's see what happens. And test will be super quickly fail. Okay, fail, even not session not started. Okay, could not start your job, blah blah this, and go this information and find out is job will not started. There is no file of or anything else this provide, which because your tunnel, this is source could not start your job, source could not start your job at all, because your whatever tunnel is not correct. So this is specific. If you run your tunnel, if you run open your tunnel with tunnel identifier, and you have to specify here same tunnel, so then you can run only with this tunnel through this test. For that reason is tunnel identifier. So now we know how to run our test with secure connect tunnel and with tunnel identifier. It's very important to know, guys. Without without tunnel connection, you cannot use your test environment test. Okay. So now now you know, if you want to run your test in the QA or development environment, just use the Sauce Connect and then run it. That's it for today, guys. Feel free to ask question, and if you have any question in the comment section, please throw a question. I will be answer as soon as possible.